Well, hello everybody, and welcome to my kitchen. This is Linda and Hands That Cook. Today we're going to do a recipe out of this book that I've done a video on how to find it. A lot of you ordered it. It's the video on telling you how to order it is called When Dinner Bells Ring and Tips. So this is an old copy. This is from 1976. And in my book, I've heard the newer books are a little bit different. But in my book, this recipe is on page, and there it is right there. Spoon Sugar Cookies, and it's on page 196. And this is what we're going to do. Spoon Sugar Cookies. Alright. In my mixer, I've got, and you can't see it, I'll lift you up, 2 sticks of butter, which is a cup for those of you that aren't in the U.S., and 2 cups of regular granulated sugar. Now I'm going to mix these up and get them creamy, and then I'll bring you back. Alright, we got that all nice and creamy. Now I've got 2 eggs, and that's what goes in next. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Preheat your oven to 300 if I haven't told you. And we're going to get these mixed in, and then I'll be back again. Well, we're back. I got this incorporated. After I got everything mixed real good, I added the chopped nuts. And on a low speed, I got those mixed in. And then when I turned off my mixer, I scraped down the sides and got these incorporated better. Now you're going to put this on an ungreased baking sheet. I just put down a, let me see if I can get you, there you go, right here, on a sheet of parchment paper. And it says to scoop them out. I don't know how far these spread. I don't know if this will make a big cookie. This is supposed to make 8 dozen cookies. So if you don't want that many cookies, which I wish I had thought ahead of time, but if you don't want that many cookies, cut the recipe in half. And I'm going to go ahead and get this loaded. It's at 300 degrees for about 20 minutes. So we'll be back. Well, we're back. And of course the cookies are done, and these are huge cookies. I want to see how, and it said drop by the spoonfuls. I didn't use a spoon, but I believe it meant teaspoon, drop by the teaspoonfuls, and what I used was, I believe, tablespoon scoop. So instead of making 8 dozen, these made 3, and I am real happy with that, because I didn't want 8 dozen cookies. So all of mine are done. I know you're not supposed to stack cookies, but I'm going to let them stay here till they cool, and then I'm going to put them in an airtight container. Now I got Sam over here. He's got 2 cookies on his plate and some milk. He's been dying to eat these cookies. So let's see what he thinks about them.
That's a real cookie there. Pecan, I can taste the butter in it, the vanilla. I love the texture. It's kind of soft in the center, and on the outside it's got a little crunch to it. The closest I could even think of those pecan sandwiches, but these are better. Honestly, they are.
Well, these are drop sugar cookies.
Well, whatever they are.
I didn't drop them, I don't think, like I was supposed to, but
Well, I think
they're
it's
really big, so
big. That's good size.
yeah, they are good.
They are absolutely delicious. If you like cookies, you'll love these.
Well, you got anything else to tell us today?
Well, I was going to tell you, I've been having headaches and my brain hadn't been working too well.
I've known that for 20 years.
And so I went to a neurologist.
Yeah.
And he said what he thought the problem was is my mother rocked me too much when I was a baby. And she'd use those big rocks, you know. And so anyway, I don't know if he's going to be able to help me or not. But
yeah, she should have used pebbles, right? Well, all right, guys. Thank you for coming in today and spending part of your day with me. It's always a blessing to me. I appreciate all my new subs and my old subs. And I want to mention that I have a 3-tier cooling rack that one of my subs sent me, and it's so nice. And I can't figure out how to put it together, even with the instructions. And I thank you for it. But I'm going to have Sam look at it and see if he can't get it done. But if you want 3 dozen cookies, make big ones like these, and you may have to bake them a little bit longer than 20 minutes. So thank you for coming in and spending your time with me. Until next time, you all take care. And God bless every one of you. Let me get another shot of these cookies over here. Bye, y'all.